if you wanted it to drape more or drape less, you'd work with the pattern technicians to adjust the measurements. And then you have to make another sample, put it on a matte model, and then let her twirl around, dance, whatever, and then make a judgment. It's like, okay, good, we got the measurements right, the drape is good.
Yes.
So then you lock down the measurements.
So what do I need to know about grading?
Okay, so first we're at a pattern and marker and sample room in Ho Chi Minh City, and the ladies behind us, they're pattern and marker technicians using the OptiTech software, and they made this hoodie for me, but this hoodie is only in size medium. And so once I approve the size medium, they're gonna have to grade it to size small and large. The distance between the large and the medium and the distance between the medium and the small is arbitrary.
Yes.
There's no international standard. And then after they'll make a size large, a medium, and a small, and I will put them on and check them against a real person.
Yes.
Obviously, I'll have to find somebody bigger than me and then somebody smaller than me to do a fit check.
Yes.
When you do it on the computer screen, or when you're cutting the fabric on the table, it's 2D.
Yes.
But then when you put it on, it's now 3D. And going from 2D to 3D, that's the art. And it also depends on the body shapes. I mean, I'm super skinny, so it's maybe a bit loose. But if it was somebody who had a beer belly, it might fit okay.
Yep.
Or it might, show off their beer belly, which they don't like.
Yes, yes.
And especially for like dresses, the way the fabric drapes down has a lot to do with the aesthetic quality of the garment. And if you wanted it to drape more or drape less, you'd work with the pattern technicians to adjust the measurements. And then you have to make another sample, put it on a matte model, and then let her twirl around, dance, whatever, and then make a judgment. It's like, okay, good, we got the measurements right, the drape is good.
Yes.
So then you lock down the measurements.
Sure.
In general, when you're talking about size measurements and grading, there's usually two main sizes, Asian sizing and Western sizing. And so, for example, a medium in Asian sizing might be a small in Western sizing.
Sure.
So it depends on which market you're selling to as to how you define your different sizes.
Yes.
Yeah.